The most fascinating thing about traveling is that I never know where the journey will take me and what I will encounter the next moment. When those moments happen, I want to capture them. The Smooth Q2 is my perfect travel companion. It can be put into and out of actions within split seconds. Its ultra-slim profile fits easily into my bag and pocket. While I focus on the contents, it stabilizes the videos for me. I am of the adventurous type. Traveling can be tough at times, but the all-metal Q2 is tougher. When I go harsh, it handles it just fine. The Smooth Q2 is simple and compact, yet it offers me a plethora of features that cultivates my phone into a powerful creative tool. I could fill myself with it. Harness the time with it. Film the world the way I saw it. And even mimic many classic cinematic moves. I love documenting my life, for it witnesses my ups and downs, my thoughts and my emotions, my dreams and regrets, so that one day I will be proud of how far I have walked. Life is never smooth, but my memory can be.